In Igbo culture, family is not just blood, it is a sacred ground. When our ancestors said Ezinụlọ, they were not simply describing a household, they were describing the spiritual system that keeps the human soul rooted, balanced, and protected. The word Ulo means home, the physical space where you sleep and live, but Ezi means the open courtyard, the space between homes, the meeting point between the living and the ancestors. Together, Ezinụlọ forms a complete world. The seen and the unseen, the living and the departed, the body and the spirit. In the Igbo compound, nothing was built by accident. The front yard, the family shrine, the kitchen, and even the ancestral tree, all were placed with purpose. When a person dies, we say he has gone to his father's home. This means death is not separation, but reunion. That is why libation are poured in the Ezi. It is the altar of remembrance, where the living speak with the dead. Every quarrel among kin was seen as a spiritual crack in the foundation of the house. That is why reconciliation was not just social, it was sacred. The family is still a temple, even if the walls have changed. In Igbo belief, Ezinụlọ is not just where you live, it is the center of your spiritual universe. How do you keep peace and ancestral connection alive in your home? Comment below and let's talk about it in the comment section. And thank you for watching.